If you're considering using GEICO Mobile for your insurance needs, there are a few things you should know before making the switch. While it's a popular app with many great features, it's important to understand how it compares to other finance and insurance apps out there. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether GEICO Mobile is right for you and if there's a better alternative to consider. The first thing to know is that GEICO Mobile offers a sleek and user-friendly interface. Unlike some competitors, it's designed to give you quick access to your policy, claim details, and payment options all in one place. But while the app is intuitive, some users report that it can be a bit slow at times, especially during high traffic periods. This may not be an issue for everyone, but it's something to keep in mind. Next, GEICO Mobile lets you manage your car insurance policies, make payments, and even request roadside assistance directly from the app. You can also easily file a claim, which is a key feature that sets GEICO apart from others like State Farm and Progressive, where the mobile experience might not be as streamlined. The third thing to consider is the app's ability to offer personalized recommendations. It's not just about paying your premium. GEICO Mobile helps identify potential savings based on your driving habits. This feature, however, is not as advanced as what some competitors offer, like Allstate's DriveWise, which provides more detailed feedback and tracking. Next, you can access digital ID cards on the app. While this might sound like a small feature, it can be incredibly helpful in situations where you need to provide proof of insurance quickly. Just make sure your mobile device is set up to show this information clearly. Some users have reported issues accessing their cards with certain devices. The fifth thing is the ease of managing multiple policies. If you have both car and home insurance with GEICO, the app makes it simple to view and pay for all your policies. However, if you have other types of insurance, like life or renters, you might need to use separate apps or websites, which could be a hassle. Next, the app includes a feature for finding repair shops, which is great for those who prefer a smooth and hassle-free experience when dealing with accidents. GEICO's extensive network of approved repair facilities is a huge advantage, but the app lacks the deeper repair shop ratings and reviews found in some other apps. The seventh thing is the 24/7 customer support available through the app. While GEICO Mobile allows you to contact customer service anytime, some competitors like USAA are known for providing more personalized and quicker support. It's worth noting that GEICO's support can be hit or miss, depending on the volume of inquiries at the time. Another feature is the ability to track your claims in real time, so you always know where things stand. However, the claim tracking system isn't as detailed as what you'll find with other apps, like Allstate's or Progressive's, which provide more transparency and information. The ninth thing is the app's functionality for managing discounts. GEICO Mobile makes it easy to apply common discounts like good driver and multi-policy savings, but it doesn't have the extensive discount offerings that some of its competitors provide. If you're looking for more savings opportunities, other apps might offer better features. Next, GEICO Mobile's integration with Apple Wallet for digital ID cards is a solid option for iPhone users. However, the app could improve its support for other mobile wallets, which can be a deal breaker for some customers. The 11th thing to know is the app's security features. GEICO Mobile offers a secure login process with two-factor authentication, which is essential for protecting your personal information. This is on par with what other insurance apps provide, but it's always good to stay vigilant with any app that handles sensitive data. Finally, while GEICO Mobile offers plenty of features, the app may not have as many advanced options as some of its competitors, especially when it comes to tracking driving habits or offering customized advice on improving your coverage. If you're looking for a more comprehensive mobile insurance experience, you might find other apps better suited to your needs. So, while GEICO Mobile is a solid choice for managing your car insurance, there are a few areas where it could improve compared to other options. If you're looking for something even more streamlined or packed with additional features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.